In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Bluetooth on Windows 10. Whether you're trying to connect a pair of wireless headphones, a mouse, or simply want to transfer files without any cables. Activating Bluetooth is a quick and straightforward process on a Windows 10 computer. Let's take it step by step, making sure each part is clear so that by the end of this tutorial, you'll be more than comfortable navigating these settings. First, let's begin by locating the Windows key on your keyboard. This key often contains the Windows logo and is typically found at the bottom left corner of your keyboard. Give it a press. This will bring up the Start menu, which is your gateway to various applications and settings on your computer. Next, once the Start menu is open, you'll want to type Bluetooth into the search bar. Even if Bluetooth is just a feature you seldom use, typing it in will swiftly help the system bring up any related settings or applications. The search feature is quite powerful and fast, so you should see some options pop up almost instantly. The option you're looking for is Bluetooth and other devices settings. When you see this option appear in the list, go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to the specific settings menu where you can manage all Bluetooth related activities on your computer. Here, you're stepping into the control center for device connectivity and wireless communication. Now you've arrived at the crucial part. Within the Bluetooth and other devices settings menu, you should see a toggle switch for Bluetooth at the top of the window. This toggle directly controls whether Bluetooth is active or inactive on your device. To turn on Bluetooth, simply click on the toggle so that it moves to the on position. You can visually confirm this action by noticing the word changes to on and maybe even the color of the toggle itself. Once Bluetooth is enabled, your computer will start scanning for any available Bluetooth devices in the vicinity. Remember, with Bluetooth enabled, it consumes a little more battery than when it's off, especially if you're not connected to any devices. So it's always a good habit to turn it off when not in use. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully turned on Bluetooth on your Windows 10 device. You're now ready to connect to any wireless peripherals or transfer files without the need for wires. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Thank you for watching and have a great day connecting all your wireless devices.